Well, we're keeping an eye on a wave of energy just off the west coast of Florida. This actually has some tropical origins, but it is bringing with it some very heavy rain and maybe even some severe weather. We're also talking about some severe weather into the northeast. In fact, an enhanced risk today for parts of New York and also Pennsylvania. We are looking at some continued warmth, though, through the month of May. Well, here's a look at Clearwater, Florida. A little bit better than it did yesterday, but however, we're still tracking some very dark clouds off into the distance. And look at Tampa and Key West, more than an inch of rain just on Monday alone, 3/4 of an inch in Orlando. And there's that center of circulation again, just off the west coast of Florida. That is spinning in a lot of Gulf of Mexico moisture and Atlantic moisture. And then we do see those showers and thunderstorms blossoming at least over the next 48 hours, possibly even into Thursday. But with that said, we're looking at widespread heavy rain of maybe an inch or two. Could even see some isolated 3-inch tallies, and then maybe even some isolated severe thunderstorms with that. Speaking of severe weather, New York City under an enhanced risk of severe weather this afternoon. This is what it looks like here from just west of Boston down to New York, eastern Pennsylvania. That's where we have our best chance for large hail, damaging winds, maybe even some tornadoes. But it is going to be a late day threat, late afternoon into the evening hours, continuing overnight down near D.C. And again, widespread heavy rain of maybe an inch or two, isolated 3-inch tallies there. Flash flood watches have been posted for the heavy rain that could be falling from Pittsburgh to just south of New York down into New Jersey. So there's that enhanced threat. We have a marginal risk out over the southern plains for this afternoon, and then Wednesday from Bismarck down to West Texas, and then a slight risk from Nebraska into South Dakota for Thursday. So all of this shower and thunderstorm activity bubbling up on the outer periphery of the record heat, which again will be setting up in the south central U.S. We're talking 80s and 90s, Dallas up to 88, 94 in Houston, and pretty warm in Phoenix today at 96. Have a good one.